Take me through there. Take me through there. Take me. Nah. What's going on? How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? How your mama and them? Shoot your shot. That's what Kobe would say. You only miss half of the shots you don't shoot. Yo, got a special one here for you. They sitting too, because all the rest of them has sold out. These was sitting. These not the cup of tea for everybody, so I don't expect everybody to like these. I don't expect everybody to want these. But guess what? I want them. I got them. And we're gonna look at them together. Let's get into it. I ain't gonna hold y'all hostage this video. We're gonna get right into it. All right, my favorite. We're gonna get right into it. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Oh. All right, so we have the Kobe Bryant Nike Air Force One Low Court Purples. Now, purple ain't a shoe that everybody can pull off. However, your boy here, we're gonna pull it off. We're gonna put it on and we're gonna pull it off. You feel me? You figured it? We're gonna put it on and we're gonna pull it off. So, this is the Court Purple Kobe's, the 11s. I don't know why I said 11. The Court Purple Air Force Ones. Look. You can see it. Shout out to Kobe. R.I.P. Kobe, GG, all of them. Yes, so Court Purple, that's the color. That's just the color. It is what it is. Bam. I'll let y'all get a glimpse of that. I don't know. Let's get into this box. So y'all know they call him the Mamba. Black Mamba box. I like the print on the box. I like the Kobe on the front. You could just feel it on there. It feels great. Open the box. Kobe sticker, Mamba sticker. Get into the box. Open it up here, and bam, you have, which in my opinion is one of the best ones yet. They have a black pair like this. I was not hip to the black pair, and I think that's it to come in the box. Yeah, that's it. And you get a sticker in the box. So yeah, I like how they did the box though. The box definitely, when you sit on your shelf and go to grab it, definitely stands out from the rest of your shoe box. So I think that's cool. Bam, bam, bam. As you can see, when the light hit the ice, it tinkled. Y'all ain't ready for that. So you have feels so sagging. It feels so soft. These are, when I say, one of the best ones they've dropped because of, y'all hear that? One of the best ones they dropped. Bam. On the toe, you see it say Mamba Forever. You have the Mamba sign there as well, very lightly on the toe cap there. Swap it around to the back. You have the 8 and the 24 on the heel. I think they should have put something here other than air, just to signal for it to be Kobe. You have the stamp on the heel there as well. Bam, if y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see that. You have the stamp on the heel as well. Look, you got the 8, like I said, 8 and the 24. These personally, I would have gave a leather insole too, because it's not an everyday wear shoe. Purple insole. And yeah, man, look. The details on this goes crazy. I'm not gonna sit and talk about this shoe no more than I got to, but shout out to Nike and his wife, Kobe's wife, for keeping Kobe's legacy alive in shoes and the art that they doing, everything that they doing. His daughters, the whole 9 yards. Salute to y'all for keeping that afloat. This is my second pair of Kobe inspired shoes. I got the Reeboks that's inspired. The Kobe was supposed to wear, the answers that they made for him when he was trying to sign with Reebok. But I have those and I have these. These are only Kobe stuff I own. I got a jersey, but I'm not a huge Kobe fan. But I do like dope stuff. And this is dope. Once again, this would be a shoe that's gonna sit because it is purple and everybody's not gonna run to it. Baltimore fans, Lakers fans, who else we got? Just fans. Get them, go cop them. Once again, Air Force Ones, if you are Air Force Ones, do run big. So if you can, go half size small. If you go half size small and they're too tight, take the insole out and you'll be good. But yeah, bam, bam. This is the shoe. I love the snake implements all throughout the shoe. You can't feel it on the shoe. You can feel it, but yeah, this will be a shoe, dope shoe with some all black and some purple hits. But nevertheless, hey, y'all stay blessed. Y'all be blessed. Do me a favor. RIP to Kobe. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be catching y'all on the next one, y'all. Hey, y'all, we